So we're staying at the place where we got our refrigerator fixed. We just stayed here overnight. We're getting ready to leave. And I was dumping out the dog and cat water, and I usually try to put it on a plant. And when I came over here, I saw a very sad sight. Little teeny tiny eggs. One in the tree. And the nest is right there, and there's another egg right here. So little tiny. Look at that. That's how tiny. So I'm guessing it was a hummingbird egg, a hummingbird nest, because it's really tiny. It was up here. You can see part of it right there. So probably a big wind or snow. Makes me sad. Poor little hummingbird. 4 babies. We're getting ready to leave, packing up, and heading to our summer home at my sister and brother-in-law's.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Okay, well, fridge is fixed.
Yes, thank goodness.
Thank you, John. You're awesome. He had it fixed pretty quickly. We got to stay on his property last night, ran some important errands in Carson City, and had a nice quiet evening watching baseball, and the Cardinals won.
Surprise, surprise,
I know,
surprise.
3 times in a row so far. So we are on our way to
The last leg.
the last leg.
Almost.
Well, we have to stop and dump tanks first. So let's go. I need my seatbelt on though.
You're taking me back to the sleepless nights, phone calls and candlelights. Those were the things I liked the most. And back when we were passing notes in school, spend our summers by the pool, talking about what we'd be when we're grown. Well, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. I still remember weekend trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways. Yeah, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Oh. So take me back when we were younger, and back when we were unafraid, starry-eyed and full of wonder. Take me back to the better days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. Taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves move slower. You're taking me back to better days. You're taking me back, all the way back to better days. Oh, you're taking me back to better days.
We're at our summer home. Here we are. Yay! It only took us, what, 11 stops? A couple months.
We left Yuma April 11th.
And it is now May 10th. So it took us a month.
It took us a month to go, what, 500, 600 miles?
How's that, Pearl? What you do in a day, we took a month to do. So we're here in a little bit different spot. Kevin has taken down more of the hill.
Slow and steady.
So made it a little bit easier for us to get in here, which is good. So here we are. Oh, feels good. Now it's time to finish getting set up and have some lunch. Welcome to Reno.
Times like these, they come and go, so let this feeling grow. Finally see what we've always known, so let feeling grow. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.